Every year, professional associations and organizations hold thousands of meetings designed to educate, enrich, empower, and entertain their audiences. To make these events successful, meeting planners spend many hours trying to select the ideal speaker, one who can deliver an inspiring message that participants can apply in their personal and professional lives. Given the fact that there are thousands of potential speakers to choose from, this process can get complicated. So, how can you ensure that you choose a speaker that best fits the needs of your audience? By answering 3 questions. What do you want the speaker to accomplish? Does the speaker possess 99th percentile expertise? And does the speaker have relevant experience and references? We'll answer these questions at this month's meeting of the Arizona Society of Government Meeting Professionals. So join me on October 16th when we will have a powerful discussion on how to hire a great speaker for your next event.